Make the opening lead in bridge, no trump. Contract bridge or bridge is a trick-taking card game which uses two standard playing card decks. This game revolves around chance and skill, and it must be played by 4 people that are divided in 2 competing teams or partnerships. Familiarize yourself with basic conventions, bidding, and optimum contracts so you can play the game effectively. Below are the steps on how to make the opening lead in bridge. Understand the rules of the game. The rules resemble other card trick-taking games. There is just an additional feature where a player's hand will be displayed onto the table, being the dummy. The score of the hand will be determined through the comparison of the actual tricks played by the declaring partnership. The individual scores will be accumulated to identify the overall score. 13 tricks will be played. The major elements of the game are the auction or bidding, which will be played by the 2 teams. Keep the score of the game in track to help you make wise decisions. Understand bidding. The end result of the bidding is a declaration of 2 players that their team will perform a given number of tricks that has a particular suit with or without trumps. Focus on the bidding and be analytical so you can make prudent decisions. Direct the suit if your partner is bidding. Determine what the opening lead in bridge is. The first lead is the opening lead. The defender in the declarer's left side will make this move. The dummy will lay his hand face up on the playing table in 4 columns. The opening lead in no trump contracts. An opening lead will make or break the defense or the declarer. The card selection must be made before putting the dummy on the table. A player can choose an opening lead without the dummy being seen, both as the actual specific card and the best suit that are based on the opening lead's preferential standard guidelines. Through an opening lead, the defender has a chance to establish winners to oppose the contract and to lessen the tricks that a declarer is permitted. You can also use the opening lead in suit contracts. The opening lead in no trump leads. Your opening lead can make winning cards in your best or longest suit. You can also build winners through your partner's hand. Your chosen card is the first action of your scheme for that hand. Learn more about contract bridge. This card game can be played in competitions or tournaments with a number of players. Competition-level games are called duplicate bridge. Its range goes from little tournaments to Olympiads and World Championships. You must understand and master other trick-taking card games before playing contract bridge. You need experience and practice so you can be able to have a winning mindset in this game. Practice bridge with or without trumps and practice hard, especially if you want to enter competitions.